Hi, I'm Tinny from Mini Bowl Design, and today I'm up in the studio. Now, because of all the emails I've been getting, I've decided it would be a good idea to make a video showing all the different ways you can configure a Mini Bowl Design wick alcohol stove. So let me set up here and we'll just go through just some of the many options that are available to build up a stove to use, to vary the heat or for more stability or whatever. So let me set up and we'll take a look at that. Okay, as you can see, there's several different pieces to work with here. And here's the basic idea of the whole thing. You start out with a silicone body, which is a secret of the entire process, because with a silicone body you can take any base and marry it with any top. For example, you could take a original bongo base like this, and if you wanted to go crazy, you could put a crazy hot top with it, like that. Or if you wanted to go the other way, you could go all the way down to a dot top, which is very, very basic, or an original bongo top, or a droop top, or my favorite, the turbo top. And those would all fit on any one of these bases. You know, you could have a M2SB with a turbo top, and it just goes on forever. Now the other part of this is the wick. Now you could go with a, go with a turbo top, and which takes the regular M2SB wick and a center wick, which I won't bother to stick in, and that's a very controllable, very easy top to work with. Or you could go with, if I can find it here, a droop top, wrong top. You could go with a droop top and an M2SB wick, M2 wick, and have a fairly hot stove. And then to change the heat of the stove, this is a standard 3-inch by 3-inch piece of wick. 3 inches is a correct length of it to fit all of these tops. And then you can either trim it all the way down, basically for baking, or you can trim it medium for general cooking, or you can go all the way up to say this high for a really hot stove. And you can do that with any of these tops. You could even go with, for example, a droop top with a donut wick and run it with the wick all the way down, or you could run it with the wick crazy high for a lot of heat, way up like that. And that would go with any one of these bases. So you can see you can make any type of stove that you want to simply by buying components. Now to give you an idea, this original bongo top with a standard wick could be configured several different ways. For example, you could have it trimmed, have a wick that was very short and use that for baking, or you could take and put in a longer wick like that, and that would be a good general purpose stove for just boiling water or melting snow. And you wouldn't even need the donut wick. You can achieve almost the same heat this way as you can using a donut wick. So that's just one of many different ways to configure a stove. And you can see there's like 50 combinations here. So that's how I'm going to start out with this first video. And maybe in the next video I'll tackle a little more fine detail of how to configure these stoves. I'm Tinny from Mini Bowl Design. Try to have some fun today and try to have a really great day. You deserve it. Bye-bye.